Internal quality assurance, often called IQA, is a very important idea for universities. It's kind of like a university looking carefully at itself. The university checks how well it is doing its job. This job includes teaching students and doing research. IQA means the university sets up its own systems. These systems help to make sure everything is of good quality. It's not about someone from outside telling the university what to do. Instead, the university takes responsibility for its own standards. This self-checking process is ongoing. It's a continuous cycle of planning, doing, checking, and acting to improve. So, what does IQA really involve? Well, it involves several key activities. Universities create clear policies and procedures for quality. They regularly collect information and feedback. This feedback can come from students, teachers, and even employers. They also review their study programs to see if they are up to date and effective. This might mean looking at course content, teaching methods, and how students are assessed. IQA systems also often include ways to support staff development. This helps teachers improve their skills. The main goal is to have a structured way to understand and enhance all aspects of the university's work, making sure it meets its own stated goals. It's important to understand that IQA is not just about finding mistakes or problems. While identifying areas for improvement is part of it, the main focus is positive. IQA is fundamentally about fostering a culture of continuous improvement. It helps a university to learn from its experiences. It encourages everyone in the university community, from top leaders to new students, to think about quality. This proactive approach means the university is always trying to get better. It's about building strong foundations for future success. This helps the university to grow and adapt to new challenges and opportunities in education. Ultimately, IQA helps a university to define what quality means for itself. Each university has its own mission and goals. IQA helps to align all its activities with these goals. It ensures that the university is not just busy, but is effectively working towards what it aims to achieve. This internal reflection and action are vital. They help the university to be confident in the education it provides. It also helps it to be accountable to its students, staff, and the wider society. This commitment to self-assessment and enhancement is what makes IQA a powerful tool for any higher education institution looking to thrive and excel. Uzbekistan is a country with big ambitions for its higher education system. The government and the people want universities to be modern and globally competitive. They aim to provide high-quality education to a growing number of young people. Internal quality assurance is extremely important to help achieve these national goals. When universities in Uzbekistan develop strong IQA systems, they are building a foundation for excellence. This means they can systematically improve their teaching, their research, and how they are managed. Quality assurance is not just a side task, it is central to the successful transformation of the higher education sector in the country. Strong IQA systems allow Uzbek universities to ensure that the education they offer meets certain standards. These standards can be national ones set by the government or even international benchmarks. As Uzbekistan opens up more to the world, having universities that are recognized for their quality is very important. IQA helps universities to demonstrate this quality. It provides evidence that they are serious about providing good education. This, in turn, can attract more international students and collaborations with universities in other countries. It also helps local students and their families trust the education they are receiving, knowing it is being constantly monitored and improved. The number of students seeking higher education in Uzbekistan is increasing. More universities are also being established, both public and private. With this growth, maintaining and improving quality across the entire system becomes a significant challenge. IQA provides a framework for each university to manage its own quality effectively. It helps ensure that expansion does not lead to a drop in standards. Instead, it helps universities to grow stronger and better. Consistent quality across different institutions will benefit the whole country. It will mean that a degree from an Uzbek university is valued, regardless of which specific university a student attended, which is a hallmark of a mature education system. Furthermore, IQA can help Uzbek universities build a stronger reputation, both at home and internationally. When universities are known for their commitment to quality, they attract better students and more qualified academic staff. This creates a positive cycle of improvement. A good reputation also makes graduates more attractive to employers. International partners are more likely to collaborate with universities that have robust quality assurance mechanisms. This can lead to joint research projects, exchange programs, and other opportunities. Therefore, investing in IQA is an investment in the future credibility and success of Uzbekistan's higher education institutions on a global stage. One of the most direct impacts of internal quality assurance is on the quality of teaching and learning. Through IQA processes, universities regularly review their academic programs. They ask important questions. Are the courses relevant to students' needs and future careers? Are the teaching methods engaging and effective? Are the ways students are assessed fair and helpful? Student feedback becomes a vital part of this review. Universities might use surveys or discussion groups to understand student experiences. Based on this information, curriculum can be updated, new teaching technologies can be introduced, and teachers can receive training to improve their skills, leading to a better learning environment for all. IQA also plays a significant role in strengthening a university's research activities. For universities aiming to be centers of knowledge creation, a strong research culture is essential. IQA systems can help by setting clear guidelines for research ethics and conduct. They can establish processes for supporting researchers, for example, through grant application assistance or mentorship programs. Furthermore, IQA can involve evaluating the quality and impact of research output. This helps the university understand its research strengths and areas where it needs to develop further. By promoting good research practices and providing support, IQA contributes to increasing the volume and quality of research produced by Uzbek universities. A strong commitment to IQA naturally leads to an enhanced university reputation. When a university consistently focuses on improving its education and research, this becomes known. Students will want to study there, academics will want to work there, employers will be keen to hire its graduates. This positive perception is incredibly valuable. It's not just about prestige. It also opens doors to new opportunities. For instance, universities with good IQA systems find it easier to establish partnerships with international institutions. They may also attract more funding for research and development. A good reputation, built on real quality, is a key asset in the competitive world of higher education. Consider, for example, experiences in neighboring countries like Kazakhstan. Over the past decade, many Kazakh universities have focused heavily on developing their quality assurance systems, partly to align with European standards like the Bologna process. This has involved creating internal quality units, training staff, and undergoing external accreditations. While challenges remain, this focus has led to noticeable improvements in curriculum design, more student-centered learning approaches, and increased international collaboration for many institutions. Similarly, Uzbek universities that embrace IQA can expect to see tangible benefits, leading to a stronger and more respected higher education sector that serves the nation's development goals effectively. Students are perhaps the biggest beneficiaries when universities prioritize internal quality assurance. When IQA systems are working well, students receive a better education. Their courses are more likely to be up to date and relevant to the job market. Teaching methods are more likely to be effective and engaging, supporting deeper learning. Students also have clearer ways to provide feedback and see that their opinions are valued. Ultimately, a degree from a university known for its quality is more valuable. It can open doors to better job opportunities and further study. Students can be more confident that their time and effort in higher education will lead to a bright future. Teachers and academic staff also gain a lot from strong IQA. Effective IQA processes often include support for professional development. This means teachers get opportunities to learn new skills, improve their teaching techniques, and stay current in their fields. A focus on quality can also lead to better working conditions and more resources. When there are clear standards and expectations, it can create a more supportive and satisfying work environment. Teachers can feel more pride in their institution and their contribution to student success. IQA can help make universities better places to work, fostering a culture of excellence and collaboration among staff. Employers in Uzbekistan and beyond also care deeply about the quality of university graduates. When businesses hire new employees, they want to be sure that these graduates have the necessary knowledge and skills. They look for graduates who can think critically, solve problems, and adapt to new challenges. Universities with strong IQA systems are more likely to produce such graduates. This is because IQA helps ensure that study programs are aligned with the needs of the economy and society. Employers can have more confidence in the qualifications awarded by these universities. This strengthens the link between education and employment, which is vital for economic development. In conclusion, investing in robust internal quality assurance systems is not just a good idea for universities in Uzbekistan, it is essential for their future success and for the country's development. IQA is a game changer because it empowers universities to take control of their own improvement. It leads to better teaching, more impactful research, and a stronger reputation. It benefits students by giving them a valuable education. It benefits teachers by creating a better working environment. It benefits employers by providing them with well-prepared graduates. By embracing IQA, Uzbek universities can build a brighter future for themselves and contribute significantly to a prosperous and knowledgeable society. The time to act is now.